Today we're going to make
a fortune cookie.
Yeah, for the upcoming Lunar New Year.
Let's see what our fortune is.
Yes. Is that for you or is this one for
This
you?
one's mine.
That one's yours? Okay, so that's your fortune?
Wait, no. I think this is yours.
Okay, you're giving this to me, right?
Yes.
Yeah. That I'm giving that one to you. Yeah. So let's open our fortunes. Break.
Oh, mine fell out. Let's see. You'll be successful in the new year.
Oh, that's a great fortune. Mine says, "You're a lion, hee hee hee." You heard this joke recently, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we watched Lion King Mufasa.
This is really easy to fold.
I know.
You just do this, and then fold it.
Exactly, and that's what we're making today.
And it looks really complicated.
I know, it looks so cool, right? Okay, so let's introduce our supplies. We have so many today, huh?
Yep. Not just markers. Well, we don't have markers.
Right. So we have our origami paper, or any paper is fine. It's great if you have decoration on it.
Oh, and hey, Art-along friends. I made this out of some scraps when we cut our paper circle to introduce this. It makes a great picture frame, don't you think?
Great job. Great job being scrappy. So yeah, we're gonna take origami paper, and it's a square sheet of paper, but any type of paper is fine because we're going to use either a circle lid or a bowl of some sort, or even a compass. I don't know if our art-along friends have ever seen a compass, but we're gonna make a circle, cut it out. So we need scissors.
Scissors.
Yeah. Make sure you have a grown-up to help you, and remember the safety rules for scissors. And we have glue sticks today too.
Ooh.
And a pencil to help mark the circle.
Pencilio.
And any markers that you would like, or pens that you will use to write your fortunes.
Marcolio.
All right, Mia.
Let's pick our paper.
Perfect. I'm going to pick. Ooh, I found a very cute one in here. I have so much paper.
Ooh, I like this light blue.
Oh, I went with blue too. Look.
Ooh, that's cute.
Hearts on it. Oh, actually, this purple one's nice too. Maybe I'll.
This one's cute.
You like that one or this one?
Ooh, I like this one.
You want this one?
Yeah, the lighter colors go best with the lighter colors.
Okay. Ooh, look at this one too.
Ooh.
You want me to do pink?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Great.
This
So.
side, this side, this side.
Okay.
First,
So.
let's draw our compass.
Yeah. So we're drawing our circles on our sheet of paper. And be sure to leave a little bit of room so that you can cut out a strip for the fortune message. Okay? So I'm going to take this lid and place it on my paper.
And I'm using the compass.
Yeah, Mia's using a compass.
18.
Yeah, make sure you have enough space for the entire rotation of the compass. Okay, now that you have your circle drawn,
Let's cut. Cutty.
so cut out your circles.
Let's cut out a strip now.
Yep. Be sure to cut out a strip from your scrap. And this is where you're going to write your fortune.
And
Yeah.
you can use this part to make a picture frame.
Yeah, if you want to be scrappy like Mia, you can take this scrap circle and make something else out of it.
I made a picture frame, but you can make anything.
make sure the outside of the circle is facing down. Okay, so the inside of the fortune cookie is facing up. We're gonna fold our circle in half. Unfold it after you folded it in half.
Unfold it.
And then turn it a little so that you can fold it one more time to make an X mark. Or a cross, right in the middle, right there. Okay? Now here's the sort of harder part. Fold it back in half, hold the edge. No. Hold the edge.
Hold the edge.
Yeah. So hold the edge of your circle like this. You're making a half moon. Just with the,
Oh.
okay? But don't crease it again. Make it a little
Don't
floppy.
think that this.
It's fine. It doesn't need to be perfect. Okay? So you're holding the edge right here. Okay? And make it a little bouncy, floppy. Okay? And that rounded bouncy end is important because you're gonna place your finger in the middle and fold in a little like this, following that crease you have, and take the two edges and bring it together. And you can tuck one flap of it in as you do it. Yeah.
Uh-oh, mine unraveled.
That's okay. Because we're gonna unravel it actually one more time to put in our strips.
How do you make it?
Okay, let me do this one and then I'll help you too. Okay, so here's my fortune. Okay, so you fold a half moon, right? And make sure it's a little bouncy. You press the middle part a little bit, and remember this half fold we made right here? That's gonna go in slightly, and as you're pressing that in, you're using two other fingers to bring the edge together. Swoop. And that helps tuck in this other edge. And don't fold this part all the way because you want it to be round. Okay? Yeah. And then, depending on how you fold it, the fortune cookie actually stays well by itself. But if you feel like it's coming apart a little too much, that's what the glue's here for, right? But before we reach for the glue, we're going to write our messages so that we can tuck it in before we glue it all together. Okay? Okay, so this is a message that's for somebody that you're going to give this fortune to, right? For the new year, so you want to write something nice. What are some nice things we can write?
You're a hoot
Oh, okay.
of excitement.
Ah, that's
And then
nice.
you can draw an owl.
Okay. You can also write, I love you so much. What other things could we write?
You're a lion.
So if you want to write something funny, you can write a little joke on there too, right? Yeah, but be creative. You can write whatever you want. Now I'm going to reuse this other fortune and put in another message in there. Yeah, these fortune cookies are really good, not just for the new year, but you can use it as a Valentine's Day card or any other cute note you can give somebody you love, right?
Yeah. Ooh, I should write first. So I should glue this so I know where to write.
Okay, Mia's doing some sort of fancy fortune. Okay, so mine says, good luck will come to you when you draw. And then I wrote another one that says, be careful of stepping stones. What did you write?
P.S. You always make me laugh. You're a hoot.
Do you remember what Lunar New Year is?
It's New Year for the lunar calendar.
Yeah, exactly. And we give each other money envelopes, right? Yeah, we give the kids money envelopes. If you want to check out our origami envelopes, you can go to our channel or look in the descriptions. That one was really easy to make too, right? Yeah, and we stuffed it with money and notes and small little goodies. That was fun.
Okay, now I'm done.
Okay, ready?
Let me just fold this. Make sure it works.
Okay, so for us to put in the fortunes, we're actually going to unwrap the fortune cookie just one more time.
Mine's already unwrapped.
So place your strip of fortune inside, and it's gonna stick out a little bit. And then, just like we did earlier, we're going to, well, there's already the creases now, so just fold it in and make sure the two ends come to touch like this. Pull the strip a little bit to center it. Whoop! Mine popped out. Okay, so.
I think something's wrong with me.
Okay, let's see. So put in the strip, and then we're folding it a little together, and then you're supposed to fold it this way.
Ew.
Remember?
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. And then we're going to put glue in the middle, right? And then, so for the glue part, you put it right in the center right here. And a little glue goes a long way. And then you fold it and stick your fingers inside a little. And then, yeah, press on it so the glue sticks for just a few seconds. So I'm gonna do the same thing.
It's not sticking.
Press on it for a little bit longer. You have to let the glue set. Okay. And so I'm gonna do the same thing for mine. I'm just gonna hold it for a little bit. And there you have it.
A fortune cookie.
Yeah. Let's stick these other ones back in too.
Okay.
So remember, if you unravel it a little bit like this, you can put your strip in, your fortune strip, and you close it back slightly and fold the end tips together. Let it meet in the middle. And then you can glue the inside part a little. And the little glue can go a long ways.
I need
You
glue
hold
too.
it in the middle. Okay, ready? Okay. We're holding it for just a few seconds. Just need to be patient while the glue does its magic. Great! Mine's done too. There you have it. A fortune cookie.
Yep.
See you next time.
Bye.
And happy Lunar New Year.
Happy Lunar New Year.
Okay.
Bye.
So, Dad, we made you some New Year fortune cookies.
Yep, I do.
Wow, they look so delicious.
So, pick your fortune.
All right, I'm gonna pick this blue one. What do I do? Do I just open it like that?
Yeah, open
Break
it.
it open.
Break it open.
Pop. You're a hoot. P.S. You always make me laugh. Oh,
Aw.
thanks,
There's
Mia.
a small script.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is very long. Can you read it to me?
Another P.S. You're a lion. Hee hee hee.
Good job, Mia.
That's your fortune for the new year.
Oh, that's a great fortune. Thank you.
Okay, so a fun game for the new year would be to have your parents or each other or friends.
Exchange fortune cookies.
Yeah.
Fortune cookies.
Fortune cookies.
Bye.
Have fun, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
A toodly doo.